So one of the things that's unique about the Unique Cars Rolling 30 is the variety of cars, and we've stumbled across
The Datsun 260C.
Right.
It's a coupe, which makes it a little bit different from most of the cars we saw here in Australia.
Yep.
Most of them were the 4-door.
Yes.
And this is the 2-door with the sort of pillarless door.
Right.
Yeah.
And I noticed inside it's got a manual gearbox.
It has a manual gearbox. Yeah, that wouldn't have been when it was born, but it was restored obviously, and the gearbox was put into it. Yeah.
Okay, so what have we got
5-speed.
under the bonnet?
So it's just the standard 2.6 litre,
Right.
the L series 2.6 litre engine,
Right.
and I've just modified a little bit, just put some twin carburetors on it off a 240Z.
Okay, right. Other than that, it's pretty stock standard?
Pretty much stock standard, yeah, it's had a few little tweaks here and there, but nothing major.
Okay. And it's a
74 model, this
74
car.
model,
74
okay.
model, yeah.
So this arrived here in Australia about the same time as all those emission laws and everything like that.
Yes,
and
true.
killed the performance of it.
Yeah.
But you've kind of brought it back with the engine you've got.
I've
in it
tried
now.
to a little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, they're a pretty tame car,
Yeah.
but just to try and make it sound a little bit different and ride a little bit different. So,
Yep.
yeah,
Sure.
Yeah.
And how long have you had it for?
Bought it in 2017.
Right.
Bought it off a guy in Perth who restored it himself.
Right.
And I just bought it basically off the internet, and
Okay.
it arrived came over on a train and a truck, and when I looked at it, I thought, yeah, well, that's everything I thought it was going to be. So,
Okay.
yeah, really
And
happy.
You've
Yeah.
had it out on the track today?
Yeah, had it out on the track today. Yeah, it goes all right around the track. Doesn't keep up with the fast cars,
No.
but it's a bit of fun.
Yep.
I'm in the new car business, so
Oh,
I
okay.
actually drive new cars all the time.
Right.
And it's nothing like driving a new car.
No.
Yeah, but it's like a bug you get, isn't it, with old
It
cars,
is,
and
totally.
you just can't get it out of your mind.
No.
So this is actually mine as well.
Oh,
this,
okay,
this
right.
one here. So this is 280ZX.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. And how long have you had that one for?
This one I bought in 2012.
Right. Okay.
So it's a little bit more developed. So this is an 82 model.
Yes.
And in 82, obviously, they've made a fair bit of advancement since 74.
Yep.
So this has got all the things like, power steering, air conditioning, independent rear suspension, all the things that make it nice to drive.
Okay.
So it's like a real tourer.
Jamie, thank you very much for your time.
No problem.
Terrific. Thank you.
Thanks, Mark.
That's great.